Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, once you open it, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and on this page you should see your AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro under the list of my devices. Once you see it, tap on it, and on this page find the option called watch faces and tap on it. It will bring you to the watch face store. As you can see here, we have list of watch faces we can download. Some of them are you need to pay for basically, and some of them are free. So scroll through the list, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it, tap on sync, and it's gonna start downloading and then synchronizing to your watch. And after it's done, it's gonna be applied to your watch, of course. So let's wait until it's done. And here we have it. And of course you can download multiple ones. So let's find something else and sync it. Okay. And once you're done downloading your watch faces and you want to see the list of them already installed on your watch, you can tap on mine right here at the top. And here you have the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and you can switch between them quite quickly by simply tapping on one right here in the app. So if you tap on this one, it will switch to this one, and like that. Of course, once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.